asking the government for 100K in my pockets so I can do real estate. 100K for real estate. 100K for real estate. We are moving to Dubai very soon. We're gonna have our baby in Dubai.
How do you feel now, Onijha?
I feel great, Shabana.
Do you want to go back your country?
It's private, but no, I do not. I'm from Pakistan now.
Shabana.
Right now, I'm going to mind my fucking business.
I'm not talking unless y'all giving me land and 2,000 or more every week. You hear me?
So I can do real estate.
100K for real estate. 100K for real estate. I'm putting it back into the city. It's not going in my pockets. I want 20K in my pocket.